Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
Decorating a garden with your own hands brings many important advantages. It goes far beyond saving money. It changes the way you experience and interact with your outdoor space. First and foremost, handmade garden decor allows complete personalization. Every decision, from materials to colors and placement, is based on your taste, your needs, and your vision. Mass-produced products often lack character, but when you create decor yourself, you shape a unique atmosphere that reflects your personality. Another major advantage is creative freedom. Working with your own hands removes limitations. You are not bound by the designs offered in stores. Instead, you can combine styles, invent new functions, and experiment with different techniques, from painting and mosaic to woodworking and even metalwork. Handmade projects also encourage resourcefulness. They give a second life to objects that might otherwise be thrown away. Old chairs, ladders, tires, wooden pallets, watering cans, and even broken dishes can all become valuable parts of the garden. This approach not only saves resources, but also reduces waste, an important contribution to sustainability, and of course, the emotional satisfaction. Every planter, every path, every corner you decorate carries the memory of your work. There's pride, there's connection. And over time, these personal creations become even more meaningful, tied to seasons, traditions, and family moments. Handmade garden decor can also be very economical. Instead of investing large sums in new products, you can use materials already at home or find secondhand treasures. Reclaimed wood, leftover paint, glass jars, fabric remnants, all of these can be turned into beautiful and durable elements. And there's functionality. Need a vertical garden in a small space? Use an old ladder or pallet. Want a lightweight, movable planter? Try recycled plastic buckets. Need borders for beds? Stones, bricks, or bottles might serve better than commercial options. Each handmade project teaches new skills: basic carpentry, painting, construction, even basic electrics if you build your own outdoor lighting. These skills still stay with you and increase your confidence for the future. And the beauty is, handmade decor is adaptable. It can be repainted, resized, moved, or repurposed as your garden evolves. Unlike store-bought pieces, your creations grow with you. Handmade garden decor strengthens not just your garden, but your bonds. It's an activity to share with children, parents, and friends. Joint creativity builds memories, teaches cooperation, and inspires future generations to value sustainability. Handmade decor is more than decoration. It's authenticity, sustainability, creativity, and self-expression. It transforms gardening from routine into a journey of discovery and joy. Your garden becomes truly yours.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.